Hi, this is our new video on supervised learning, and in the previous video we discussed about the machine learning introduction. So let's see what is supervised learning. In supervised learning models, the data that we feed to our models has input as well as output values. Our machine learning models use this input and output values to learn the relationship between them. Using this rule and pattern, it predict the values for unseen data. Consider example from previous video where we have a set of x and y values and we come up with a rule which we use to predict the value of y when x equals to 2. Here our model learns rule and try to fit that rule to each data point to find value of y which we call the predicted values. Then we compare those predicted values with the actual values of y. If they are not same, then our model relearn the new rule and until it predicts the correct value of y for each x value. So let's see the whatever we have explained in detail at how our supervised learning model works. So here we have two data. The first one that we will feed to our models and it is called training set. The next one for which we have to predict the value of y when the values of x were given as 2 and 5. So this data for which we are going to predict the value of y is called the testing set. So let's see how it works. We feed our training data set to our models and our model learn the rule. So how it is learning? So it will consider the first data point where x equals to 1 and y equals to 4. After seeing this input and output values, it come up with a rule that is x plus 3, y dash equals to x plus 3. So this is the predicted value of y. So when x equals to 1, we feed this value and 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So the predicted value of y it gives us 4, which is same as the actual value of y. Now fits the same rule to another data point where x equals to 3 and it gives the predicted value as 6 whereas the actual value of y is 8. So this rule x plus 3 is incorrect. Now our model relearn and try to fit some and the rule into this data point and it comes up with the rule suppose 2 into x plus 2 and it fits the value of x in this and it gives us the value equals to 4 for the y which is same as the actual value and then we tries to fit it to the another data point and it give again the predicted value as 8 which is same as the actual value. So here our predicted value of y is same as the actual values of y, so we can say that this rule is correct and it's working fine. So we will use this rule to predict the values of this unseen data or for the x values where x equals to 2 and 5. So let's pass the x value equals to 2 and this rule that we have learned and it will give the y value equals to 6. Similarly, when we will pass x equals to 5 to our model, it will give y equals to 12. So our model learns a new rule by comparing the predicted value of y with the actual value of y. So we can think the supervised learning model as a teacher-student scenario where teacher tells their students the difference between vegetables and fruits and give them the examples that these are the vegetables and these are the fruits. So the next day teacher takes a test and asks the students the cabbage category whether it's a vegetable or fruits. So the students who tells that the cabbage is a vegetable gets the full marks and those who tells that it is a fruit, the teacher corrects them and tell them that this is not a fruit but this is a vegetable. So we are comparing the result or we are creating a result based on the actual values and the answers given by the student or the answer given by here in our case the answer given by our model. So we need the output or the target values or the answers to so that we can feed that to our model and our model compares the predicted values with the actual values that we are feeding to our models. So here the supervised learning are also of two types, regression and classifications, which we are going to discuss in future videos. But in the next video, we are going to discuss about the unsupervised learning.